In this video, we'll discuss about electrical switches. We know that a switch is used to turn an appliance off and on. We know that switches come in various shapes, sizes, and have different uses, right? If we had to draw a switch in a circuit, the circuit diagram that we would use to represent a switch is like this. And this circuit diagram is used when the switch is in the off position. Now, if you notice carefully, this diagram resembles this kind of switch, right? Great. And you would have guessed that if you press this lever down, the switch gets turned on. And with the diagram also, we have something similar going on. The moment you draw this switch like this is the on position of the switch. Great. Let's get into a little bit of using a switch in a circuit. Let's say I have a cell and I have a small bulb. And let's say I want to power this bulb up using the cell. Obviously, I need wires, right? So let's say I draw some wires and I connect the bulb to this cell. Now, I don't want this bulb to keep glowing all the time, right? I want to keep a switch so that I can turn the bulb on whenever I wish to, right? Great. So here I've placed a small switch and right now it's in the off position. Okay, now what would happen if I turned the switch on and put it in the on position? Basically, what I'm doing is I'm connecting these two wires and completing this circuit, isn't it? Okay, so when I do that, the bulb starts glowing. Okay, now let's look at what's happening at the micro level. We have some electrons here at the negative terminal, and these electrons are waiting to run towards the positive terminal. The moment they have a free path to run towards the positive terminal, they will do so. The moment you give them a conducting path to move towards the positive terminal, they will move towards the positive terminal, right? Okay, now let's just rewind a bit. Let's say the switch was in the off position. When the switch was in the off position, these electrons did not have a conducting path to move towards the positive terminal. And that's why they were still waiting at the negative terminal, right? Okay, the moment we connected these two, there was a path that was created for the electrons to flow towards the positive terminal, a conducting path, right? Now, before we wrap up, I'd just like to leave you with a disclaimer. Electrons move from the negative terminal towards the positive terminal, right? But conventional current follows the opposite direction. Conventional current flows from the positive terminal towards the negative terminal. Okay, let's just summarize and wrap up. The definition of a switch is it's a device that completes or breaks a circuit. Completes means turns the circuit on. Breaks means turns the circuit off. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.